How to disable FB notification for Lenovo laptop users. Are you tired of your FB notification popping in your screen? So here's a solution for you. Go to your browser, click the three dots in the upper portion of your browser, then find Settings and click it. In the settings, you look for the cookies and site permissions. In the site permissions, you look for the FB notification. Click the arrow left then find the notification button. In the notification button, you could either allow, ask, or block the FB notification. So this time, I choose ask as a default. Then no more FB notification. That would be all, and thank you.